This is the final one then, final video of the series. We are looking at finding areas between curves and lines. So this is pretty nice actually, it's nice maths. What we want to find is the area of that awkward looking yellow bit, and this question is number 11, sorry it's not, it's number 1 from exercise 11F, which is the mixed exercise. So, first things first, let's have a look ahead to what we're going to be able to do by the end, which is to find the area of the yellow bit. And the essential method here is that we are going to integrate the curve between two limits to find the area underneath it. So even if the question didn't ask us to, we would have to find these two red points here. We're going to do it by using simultaneous equations. So when does the line y equals 2 meet the curve y equals 5 plus 2x minus x squared? Well, when we put them equal to each other, so we're going to end up with 2 equals 5 plus 2x minus x squared. Bit of rearranging, we should end up with x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, putting everything on the right hand side, and so we end up with x minus 3, x plus 1. So we can label those points on there, 3 and minus 1. So far so good. We then have got two options. We can either integrate the curve, so integrate y equals 5 plus 2x minus x squared, 5 plus 2x minus x squared, between the limits, and then we could get an answer, and that would tell us the green area, which I'm about to highlight, this green area and the yellow area together, and we then have to take off the green area. So by doing that integral in red up here, that would find us this area, all of that. And then we'd have to take off the green area. We're not actually going to do that, although you could. What we're going to do is a little trick. We're going to use the fact that we can actually take off the equation of the line from the equation of the curve and then integrate that and find the yellow area directly. So let's just illustrate what we mean there. We know that the the line has equation y equals 2. We know that the curve has this equation down here. We also know that the curve is higher up than the line. So the curve, as you can clearly see, is higher than the line. I've highlighted the curve in purple and the line is below it. So we take the equation of the curve rather, because it's higher up, and we take away the equation, keep getting this wrong, curve, higher up, take away line, lower down. So we take the curve, we take away 2 from it, we end up with just 3 plus 2x minus x squared. If we then integrate that between 3 and minus 1, we will get our yellow area straight away. So you can work that through, create a bit of space for ourselves, and you should find out in the end that the answer comes out to be 10 2/3.